my calorific friends. So today what I want to share with you is how to make your homemade mayonnaise. It's a great way to get your daily healthy fats into your nutrition plan without any of those inflammatory oils. So you just need simple ingredients. You need 2 eggs, some garlic powder or fresh garlic, some salt or Himalayan salt, some pepper, a cup of avocado oil, and some fresh lemon juice. So you guys ready? Let's begin. So I have everything measured out here to make everything simpler for you. I have 2 eggs here in my glass container. I have a cup of avocado oil. I have a half a lemon juice ready here to go. I have measured out about a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Feel free to use Himalayan salt. And since we love garlic at home, I have about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Feel free to use fresh, and just depending on how much garlic you like, you could play around with that. And you know what? Feel free as well to add any herbs. So this is how simple it is. You put your 2 eggs into the jar, add all of your spices, your salt, your garlic powder. We put in our lemon juice. And if you like pepper, feel free. I'm just gonna put a couple of dashes in there. There we go. Now we're gonna make a bit of noise, okay, you guys? So we're gonna blend with the hand immersion blender here. We're gonna blend our eggs with all of the spices and lemon juice. Give that a good mix. And now slowly we are going to add in our avocado oil. And this is where all the magic happens. You'll slowly see the mayonnaise appearing to get that texture of the mayonnaise that we're looking for. There. I'm gonna add slightly more to get a bit of a thicker consistency. Oh. And there we go. Homemade mayonnaise. And this would last in the fridge for about 7 days approximately. That is, if you're able to keep it for 5 to 7 days, because I know it goes really fast in our home. So thanks for watching, you guys.